Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future of warfare. And man, it's some wild stuff. We're talking about technology that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction movie, but this is the real deal. From drones that are practically invisible to lasers that can take down missiles in midair, the battlefield of tomorrow is going to be radically different from anything we've ever seen before. It's some seriously mind-blowing stuff. So buckle up, because we're about to unmask the technologies that will shape the future of warfare. Drones, lasers, hyperspeed missiles, we're diving deep into it all. This is the kind of stuff that makes you think, man, the future is here. Alright, let's talk drones, man. These things have gone from being these clunky remote-controlled toys to some of the most sophisticated killing machines on the planet. And we're not just talking about the big predator drones raining down hellfire anymore. We're talking swarms of tiny drones, man, like a hive of angry bees all networked together, sharing information, overwhelming the enemy with sheer numbers. They can be equipped with cameras, sensors, even weapons, making them the ultimate spies in the sky. And the crazy thing is, this is just the beginning. We're talking about drones that can fly for days, weeks even, without needing to refuel. Drones that can operate autonomously, making their own decisions on the battlefield. Imagine a swarm of these things, hundreds, thousands even, all coordinated by artificial intelligence, able to identify and eliminate targets with pinpoint accuracy. It's some next-level stuff, and it's changing the face of warfare as we know it. And it's not just about offense either. Drones are changing the game on the defensive side as well. You've got drone shields, these autonomous systems that can detect and neutralize enemy drones before they can even get close. We're talking about a whole new era of aerial combat here, man. It's like something out of a video game, but it's real and it's happening right now. But here's the thing about drone technology, it's not just about the hardware, it's about the software, the algorithms, the artificial intelligence that powers these things. That's where the real game changer is, man. We're talking about drones that can learn, that can adapt, that can make decisions on their own in the heat of battle. And that's where things get really interesting, and a little bit scary, to be honest. Because when you start talking about machines making life or death decisions, you're entering a whole new ethical territory. But that's a conversation for another day. For now, just know that drones are here to stay, and they're only going to get more advanced, more autonomous, and more deadly in the years to come. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, man. We're talking about a whole new era of warfare, where the battlefield is invisible, and the enemy is everywhere and nowhere at the same time. It's some real mind-bending stuff, and it's only going to get crazier from here. So strap in, because the future of warfare is here, and it's drone-powered. Now let's talk about lasers, man. These things have been a staple of science fiction for decades, but they're rapidly becoming a reality on the battlefield. And we're not just talking about laser pointers here. We're talking about high-energy lasers that can burn through metal, shoot down missiles, and even disable enemy aircraft. It's some serious Star Wars stuff. Imagine a weapon that fires at the speed of light, a weapon that's accurate to within a hair's breadth, a weapon that can be fired as many times as you need without ever running out of ammunition. That's the promise of laser weaponry, and it's a game changer. We're already seeing laser weapons being deployed on warships, where they're used to take out small boats, drones, and even incoming missiles. But the potential applications of this technology are practically limitless. Think about it, man. Lasers could be used to create a defensive shield around troops in the field, vaporizing incoming rockets and mortars before they even hit the ground. They could be mounted on aircraft, giving them the ability to take out enemy targets with pinpoint accuracy from miles away. And here's the really wild part. Lasers don't just destroy things, they can also be used to disable them. Imagine a laser that could fry the electronics of an enemy tank or aircraft without causing any collateral damage. That's the kind of precision that lasers offer, and it's a game changer on the battlefield. Now, there are still some challenges that need to be overcome before laser weapons become as ubiquitous as bullets and bombs. For one thing, they require a tremendous amount of power, which means that they're currently limited to larger platforms, like ships and aircraft. But the technology is advancing rapidly, and it's only a matter of time before we see portable laser weapons that can be carried by individual soldiers. And when that happens, man, it's gonna change everything. Think about it. No more bullets, no more reloading, just a weapon that can fire an unlimited number of shots as long as it has power. It's like something out of a video game, but it's real, and it's coming soon to a battlefield near you. And it's not just about lasers themselves, but also about the systems that power them. We're talking about advanced targeting systems, sophisticated algorithms, and powerful energy sources that all work together to make laser weapons a reality. We're talking about a whole new era of warfare, man, where the battlefield is illuminated by the searing light of directed energy weapons. It's some real Buck Rogers stuff, and it's only going to get wilder from here. So keep an eye on the skies because the future of warfare is about to get a whole lot brighter. Alright, let's talk about the real speed demons of future warfare: hypersonic missiles. These things are like the Ferraris of the missile world, capable of reaching speeds of Mach 5, that's 5 times the speed of sound, or even faster. We're talking about missiles that can travel from New York to Los Angeles in less than an hour. They're so fast that they can outrun traditional missile defense systems, making them virtually unstoppable. And it's not just about speed. These missiles are also incredibly maneuverable, able to change course mid-flight, making them even harder to intercept. It's like trying to hit a fly with a BB gun, while the fly is doing Mach 5. Now, the development of hypersonic missiles has been going on for decades, but it's only recently that the technology has really started to mature. Now several countries, including the United States, Russia, and China, are all developing their own hypersonic weapons. And it's not hard to see why. These things are game changers in every sense of the word. They have the potential to completely upend the balance of power, giving the countries that possess them a significant military advantage. Imagine a weapon that can take out an enemy aircraft carrier from thousands of miles away, or strike a target anywhere in the world within minutes of receiving the order. That's the kind of capability that hypersonic missiles offer, and it's a game changer. But here's the thing about hypersonic missiles. They're not just weapons, they're also a major technological challenge. Designing and building a missile that can withstand the extreme heat and pressure of traveling at hypersonic speeds is no easy feat. And then there's the issue of guidance systems. How do you accurately guide a missile that's traveling at several times the speed of sound? It's a complex problem, but one that engineers are working hard to solve. And then there are the ethical considerations. Hypersonic missiles are incredibly destructive weapons, and their use raises some serious questions about the future of warfare. But one thing's for sure, hypersonic missiles are here to stay, and they're going to have a major impact on the future of warfare. So buckle up, because the future of warfare is fast, it's furious, and it's hypersonic. Well, there you have it, folks. The future of warfare is looking pretty wild, right? Drones, lasers, hypersonic missiles. It's like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's all too real. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on cutting-edge technology and the future of, well, everything. Leave a comment below on which technology you think will have the biggest impact on future warfare. Is it the silent, swarming drones, the precision of lasers, or the raw speed of hypersonic missiles? Let me know what you think in the comments below.